So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform a dirty sandstone floor from this to this, and the best, most effective way that I know how. It's not the only way, but this is how I do it. So here's the kit. We've got a wet vac. We've got red and blue. There'll be a link to what those products are in the description. The CRB machine, we've got the rotary, we've got 2 lots of brushes, a Winx brush and a polymer brush and a guard. So first thing is to put the red down. This is a degreaser. The CRB machine works into the grout, starts breaking it down. Does need about 15 minutes dwell time, this. But as you can see, the CRB machine is breaking that soil down nicely and emulsifying it. Getting into all the grout and all those low points of the sandstone. Next, I swap to the rotary with a Winx brush. Still using the red. I then put some blue down and swap brushes to a more softer nylon brush. And then I've got a neutralizer in the tank, which I'm gravity feeding and flooding the floor, still agitating it. Get that vacked up, and you'll see the soil that's come off the floor. Nice. So this is the end result. I've added a water-based sealer to finish it off.